Hey dudes. Like you hear, I'm sick, so maybe the commentary won't be as great. Wait, probably never great, but like you see, my team is master, and most of them are level 60. But these are the normal people from the normal Inazuma 11. So where's your ultimate 11? That's a Connect 1. And we will battle with Connect 1. Wait, a little sprout try. Best as it's gonna get, probably. We'll go to Code Victor. I like Google translates as my it's a godfather. What I wanna say now. So my godfather is gonna buy me Inazuma 11 3 Bomb Blast for my birthday. That's already passed more than a week, more than 10 days. So that's nice. So he bought it already, but he has to come. He's wanna find a time he can come, and then he will give it to me. So that's pretty nice. Say in the comments if you want me to do a playthrough of that with a bad quality. One though, there's a commercial. My dad's there. That's always funny. Foreign England. Modern Trends, Lieutenant Master and King. Fun fact. Wait a second. Fun fact. See Joseph King. And you know what's the name of the goalkeeper of the Taikoku or Royal Academy in Go? Joseph Kingston. So actually one just a Kingston. So they just put 4 letters by it. So that's really stupid. Wait, I will prove you. I will prove you. Go to nuts. Here you go, you see him? Joseph Kingston. The goalkeeper of Taikoku. How dumb. How dumb. I'm really ashamed and Go that they dare to do that. God damn it! I'm fighting with my usual team. Oh yeah, right. Why not, right? That's why I have to watch out. Oh yeah, you can see my strong team. Oh man, they're owning me. Maybe I should use my strong move. Yeah, maintenance doll. Grandfather level 4. I cloned it all. Better than yeah. And if you want to know which people are already translated in English from Go, you can just go to inazuma11wikia.com. And there you can search for it. You can find most of the people, yeah, actually all, but if you know the name, it's easier. Even if it's called 2 plus 2 get owned. Oh yeah, Shin. Like the Shin title more, but yeah, they decided. No, not Shin, not Shin. We won't give it to Shin. No. Wow, Foster and actually Dark War lines. Dog run. Wuff. Wuff wuff. Wuff wuff. Bark bark. Normally I don't do a fire up for them. Great job, guys. Go. Clone that zone. I learned in this movie because he, I think he was the one who helped shot that zone. So yeah, he's from Royal, so I thought it fit. Oh my god. Forgot he still could use them. I thought, yeah, forgot they were fire up. And now he runs out, really. I got damage. Got to put out. Okay. My dad, because I'm home alone. Hey, that's a movie. Everyone probably seen a movie 100 times because it's every time it's Christmas. Like all my moves from these plays are like levels. The levels moves are most likely level 3 or higher. No wait, nah. Jet stream is level 2. I'm hoping 3 is level 1. Didn't evolve it yet. Should probably do that.
Keep under pressure.
My dad asks, "What are you doing?" And I'm saying, "Recording." Let's see what he reacts. Probably says, "Don't upload it," or "limits." So I'm not going to. You probably will see this video like when I'm totally good. I'm like, well, okay, have fun. Thanks. I have gold at. He helped me searching for a 3S capture card, but yeah, it's totally illegal and it's like 200 euros. So he said from Jasper, I want you. I would like to help you with $200 euros for just one stupid little thingy, and the audio isn't even good. So no. I understand that he said that. I would have said no to. Bit too high of a price for just capture cards. But yeah, we tried to find it, so. Man, I really wanted to play Inazuma 11 Future, but didn't happen. Yeah, Inazuma Future is a version of Inazuma 11 for mobile phones, but it never came out, so that's too bad. And actually the first hack of Inazuma 11 came out. I'm downloading it right now. Just 1 second, guys. Oh. Nah, just gonna. Not how bad, keep it. 71% of the time I had the ball. I'm gonna S-rank this actually. For a second I thought just let's have fun, nothing more, but now I will S-rank it because I want. Because I want it. I know I want it. Nah. Can't sing, won't sing. That's my rules. If you can't sing, you won't sing. You understand that? Bitch. I will pass to Jude and charge. Oh my god, he did Cyclone. He really did that. I heard if you fight up, you they get fall more often. So maybe it's a tip, because if the other team is fired up, you will get more falls more often, and yeah, other way. The other way. Field of War. Emperor Penguin. Oh. Oh, so this can be level 2 really soon or not that soon. We will see. Wait, did it evolve? Did it evolve? Maybe. Watching a Jew? Nah, didn't evolve. Too bad. Wait. Just a second, guys. No, I got to the right one. No, he can't. Wait, but if I go to inventory, and I give him noodles. Everyone likes noodles. My voice. Sorry for the head. My voice is too bad right now. Whoa! That speed though! You should have seen that. Oh my god, that was awesome. Just Nathan goes like really like fast than you ever could imagine. Ghost Lock. Quality is all they good. It's not that good. Earthquake has a really high fall ratio, so that's good. Oh god, now it doesn't get a fall. Actually, could have shot actually, just was too stupid to get it, so. As I was watching a video of Inazuma 11, and there was like comments on him how he could how he could how is saying it? Yeah, how he could how he wouldn't get offside. So I will try that if I need it. Make done hat. It's like 20 ATP. Come on, dude. Won't even get close. Don't even waste TP. Margus basically. Not actually that much. Like from recruiting routes, I had the promise pendant. I gave it to Axel and it boosted his TP, so if you want a TP boost, just get a promise pendant. I don't know, it's like a one-time thing or you can get it multiple times. It would be fair if it was a one-time thing because it's actually for Axel. A foul means a penalty kick. Choose your shot. Left, mid, or right? Left. To the left, to the left. Oh my god. Why do I keep saying this? Ah, god, he just counted left. You think that's impressive? Watch it, Mark. I pressed right and he shot in the middle. And the guy just put his feet out. That's why he didn't score. So actually, he shot the middle, I chose right, and he protected the middle too. That was awesome, and I only have 4 points. Good job, Axel, you fricked up. No, actually it's my fault. Hmm. 4 level ups. Fan kit! Just to watch the fan kit with you guys. Team strip. Oh my god. This is the fan kit. Not even that bad. I hate this kit. This one actually too. This one I'm using right now. One is from the team card. I'm actually... This kit I like the most. So see you all next time.